Today, we are going to explore one of the most extraordinary machines ever created in the automotive world, Bugatti Chiron. This is not just a car. It is a masterpiece of engineering, luxury, and raw performance that represents the peak of human automotive achievement.
Easy now, watch the clearance on the right.
The Bugatti Chiron was developed by the French luxury automotive brand Bugatti, which is part of the Volkswagen Group. It was officially introduced in 2016 as the successor to the legendary Bugatti Veyron. The Chiron carries the legacy of extreme speed and luxury forward, taking everything to an even higher level. The car is named after Louis Chiron, a famous Monaco-born racing driver who competed for Bugatti in the early days of motorsport history. At the heart of the Bugatti Chiron lies its most incredible feature, its engine. The car is powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. This engineering marvel produces an astonishing 1,500 horsepower and around 1,600 Newton-meters of torque. These numbers are not just impressive on paper, they translate into mind-blowing real-world performance.
So this side is fully restored to bare metal, but you can still see the stress marks from the original impact here.
The Chiron can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just about 2.4 seconds, making it one of the fastest accelerating production cars ever built. When it comes to top speed, the Bugatti Chiron is electronically limited to 420 kilometers per hour for safety reasons. However, in special configurations such as the Super Sport variant, the car has demonstrated even higher performance levels. Achieving such extreme speeds requires not just power, but perfect balance between aerodynamics, tire technology, stability systems, and structural strength. The exterior design of the Chiron is both elegant and aggressive. Every curve and line serves a purpose. The body is built using a carbon fiber monocoque structure, which provides extreme strength while keeping the weight under control. The aerodynamic design ensures minimal air resistance and maximum stability even at extreme speeds. At the front, the signature horseshoe grille proudly displays the Bugatti identity, while the sleek LED headlights and sculpted body give it a futuristic and powerful appearance. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Chiron is how it manages to combine performance with luxury. The interior is handcrafted with the finest materials, including premium leather, polished aluminum, and carefully selected high-quality finishes. Unlike many supercars that feel stripped down for performance, the Chiron offers a cabin that feels more like a luxury lounge. Every detail is designed with precision and elegance. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused. Instead of overwhelming the driver with unnecessary digital displays, Bugatti chose simplicity combined with perfection. The instruments and controls are designed to keep the driver fully engaged with the driving experience. Even at extremely high speeds, the cabin remains remarkably quiet, thanks to advanced sound insulation. Another remarkable feature of the Bugatti Chiron is its engineering stability. At high speeds, most cars become difficult to control, but the Chiron uses advanced aerodynamics and intelligent driving systems to maintain perfect balance. It features adaptive suspension, multiple driving modes, and advanced traction control systems that continuously adjust to road conditions. Bugatti has also developed several special variants of the Chiron to push the limits even further. The Chiron Sport focuses on sharper handling and improved agility. The Chiron Per Sport is designed for cornering performance and track-focused driving. Meanwhile, the Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus became famous for breaking records by exceeding 490 kilometers per hour. Showcasing the extreme potential of Bugatti's engineering capabilities, production of the Bugatti Chiron is extremely limited. Only a few hundred units are ever produced, making it one of the rarest hypercars in the world. This exclusivity adds to its prestige and makes it a symbol of ultimate automotive luxury. The price of a Chiron is in the millions of dollars, which places it firmly in the category of ultra-luxury collector vehicles. Safety has not been overlooked in this extreme machine. The Chiron is equipped with high-performance braking systems, including carbon ceramic brakes that provide exceptional stopping power even at very high speeds. It also includes multiple electronic safety systems that help the driver maintain control under all conditions. In conclusion, the Bugatti Chiron is far more than just a fast car. It is a perfect fusion of art, science, and engineering. It represents what is possible when no compromises are made in design or performance. From its breathtaking speed to its luxurious interior, every aspect of the Chiron is built to impress and inspire. Even today, the Bugatti Chiron stands as an icon in the automotive world, a symbol of innovation, power, and exclusivity. It is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of what human engineering can achieve at its absolute peak.